Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kavekar. I would like to welcome all of you in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 5. Today we are going to see the new rubric aversion. What is meant by aversion? Aversion is a feeling of strong dislike to do something. It is a firmly settled and vehement dislike. In Hindi meaning, it is नापसंद किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के प्रति विमुखता. Marathi meaning धिक्कारा. Now we will see some of the common remedies of aversion. First is arnica, apis, arsenic, Bryatacar, calcarea, chocolate, conium, cocculus, hippar, caliphos, laccan, lycopodium, medorinum, murk, nux vomica, phosphorus, platina, pulsatilla, sepia, sulfur and symphytum. So these are the number of remedies of aversion. Now we will see some of the explanation of few remedies. First is calcarea. Calcarea has got aversion to everything, family members to, men to, or persons to all, or certain persons. Then Kaliaidum. Kaliaidum has got aversion to children's too. Beloved children's become suddenly burdensome for him. Then chocolate. Chocolate has aversion to children's to her own, husband to. Conium. Conium has aversion to children's too, due to sadness from family members to, friends to, especially pregnancy during, person to certain, or woman to. Then murk. Murk has aversion to everything, family members to, persons to all, or certain persons. Pulsatilla. Pulsatilla has aversion to everything, marriage to, men to, or in men, women to, or women, men to in religions, or aversion to object to certain, aversion to women's to men in homosexuality with, or women to men in religious aversions. So this is pulsatilla aversion. Then Staphysagrae aversion. Staphysagrae aversion has got in children's too, then men to, persons to all, wife to, women to in men in homosexuality with. Then sulfur. Sulfur has got aversion to education to, everything to, men to, women in religious aversion, persons to all, or person to literary to, women to in. Then I will see the platina aversion. Platina has got aversion to children's, then everything to, family members to, certain persons to, or to his wife, or woman to man in homosexuality with. This is platina aversion. Then fluoric acid aversion. Fluoric acid has got aversion to family members to, members of others, but talk pleasantly to, friends to, parents to, or person to certain, wife to his, or woman to banish with. So these are the aversions of some of the remedies. Then now we'll see the cross references of aversion. The first cross reference is abhorrence. Abhorrence is a very great hate, feeling of strong hatred, especially for moral reasons. Then second cross reference is elements from appraise to person. Elements means to develop bodily disorder from, or a cause for complaining. Then third Cross-reference approach of person's aggravation. Aggravation of symptoms due to approach of people. Then company aversion to presence of strangers aggravation. It is averse to companionship. Then escape attempts to family and children from her. That is avoid unpleasant worries or situations. Temporary freedom or escape from present situation or condition. It is escape. Then estranged family from her. Estranged means alienated or separated feeling due to strained relations between friends and family. Keep away or apart from or from a accustomed place, occupation, etc. Then fear approaching others of aggravation. Fear it is a frightened or frightful feeling having a definite cause, an unpleasant emotion or a thought that you have when you are frightened or worried by something dangerous, painful, or bad that is happening or might happen. Fear is a scared of or afraid of something. Then indifference relation to. Indifference means lack of interest in someone or something. The quality of not caring about or being interested in something, or it is a state of being indifferent, no to talk to them, or he does not wish. Indifference aversion to. Indifference means lack of interest in someone or something. The quality of not caring about or being interested in something, or it is a state of being indifferent, no marked feeling or interest with family in certain circumstances where he has no desire to or talk to them, or he does not wish to hear about them. This is indifferent. Then spoken to aversion to being, that is who dislike being spoken to, he desires to busy in his own thinking or working. Then strangers presence of aggravation. It is a person who one does not know. It is a strangers. Then touched aversion of being. Touched means an aggravation of feeling by the mere touch of someone. So these are the number of cross references. Now what is the miasm of aversion? It is a psychosis miasm. Then what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of aversion? First is anxiety state, second is phobic disorder, third is depression, fourth is avoidant personality disorder, and fifth is schizophrenia. So this is in short all about aversion. So friends, I hope all of you like this explanation in short. From next episode we will meet with a new rubric. Till then, thank you.